abatunda ettaka n'amayumba bo beesigwa be batakusiba kiwani Connected Properties be bakuyunga ku maka gag'olubeererako ne kole n'ekibanja mpola kati beeyune munywanyi
tusange ku office zaffe ku Kampala Road ku Mabirizi Complex ku mwaliro gw'omusanvu ne Nansana ku Mastowa ku kizimbe okuli Opportunity Bank ku mwaliro gw'okubiri oba tukubire ku ssimu naawe osobola okufuuka landlord n'ekyapa kyo mu ngalo.
Connected Properties.
Bwe tuli Sindi baby President wa umma onadde akatuuka. Katono nyuma.
Gentlemen, my name is Mrs. Ssanyu. I am an Afro-dancehall artist, but I'm also the president of the Uganda Musicians Association. Our elder and our legend Ragadi has said most of the things that I wanted to say, but I don't want to leave this place without saying thank you to the Archbishop Ssaabasumba Paul Ssemogerere for blessing the service today. Thank you so much. Of course, our legend Dan Kasiwe from NCA for coming through. Uganda Funeral Services, it's a special thank you to you. The interim committee and the cabinet of UMA, this wouldn't have been possible without your hard work and your commitment. Every artist who has come through today, but a special thank you to the families of the fallen soldiers who accepted our invite to come here today. Today is not a day to celebrate death, it's a day to celebrate life of these artists that left us. If there is not so much that we can get from them right now, but we can learn from their lives, we can learn from their achievements, we can learn from their failures, so that we don't forget where this industry started from. There's so many sacrifices that have been made to make sure that I am standing here, that every artist behind me is standing here. Uganda Funeral Services, I am amazed by how detailed the policy is that they have designed for artists, and I encourage you, today I don't want to dwell on that, but I encourage you to look through the leaflet that is available to look at the policy that they have tried to create for an artist. Brand and image of Fiji, very unique. We don't work on a salary, we work when we get work. So they have designed a package that is good for us. We want to live as an artist and also live this world as an artist. We don't want to only have the best stages when we are alive. We also want to have a death that is worth talking about, that is worth celebrating, because when we are alive, we touch so many lives. So we don't want that last day of our lives to be a day of shame, but let it be a day of glory, because we kind of helped to create that. Thank you. For the families of the late, I would like to encourage you that your people are remembered. They are celebrated. Everything that they did, we remember, and we learn from it every day. So thank you so much for honoring our invite today. I'd like to encourage all artists who are here today. I know not all of you are registered under UMA, but it's a good thing to register under UMA right now, because there's so much that we have in store for you. I also want to encourage every ministry, every time there's always been a narrative that we are not together, but look at us now. Nobody was paid to be here, nobody was forced to be here. So thank you for standing together with us. God bless you. Thank you.
We're very grateful for the kind words and compliments from the Uganda Musicians Association. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Atako okwogera gye tuli, ye Reverend Father Chibi, ng'ajja okwogera gye tuli, twagala okwebaza Good News Choir wano e Lubaga, Mrs. Ssaabasumba. Thanks very much for animating this month. Thank you very, very much. Father Chibi,
88.8
CBS FM.